This is the box. Just open it. This is what we got. I'm gonna seal. Is that a Mewtwo? Oh, guys, we got a Mewtwo. Raichu with the 100 attack damage down there. What is that? Oh, Tornadoes? It's one of the rare ones. Coughing. Jigglypuff. Graveler. Charmeleon. Too bad. Kingler. Sandslash. Kabutos. What? That's pretty good. Kabutos. Meowth. Grimmer. Pidgey. Bulbasaur. Right on. Yeah, right on. Volpe. Tentacruel. Poliwrath. Drowsy. Amistar. And a Diglett. So, yeah, that's all the Pokemon cards that we've got today, guys. Let me check how much there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 Pokemon cards. But yeah, let's take a look at the box. So, this is apparently the Kalos region. Hey, we got 2 more Pokemon cards left. A Venusaur, which is 180, and a Verizon. So let's take a look at the box. So this is the box. This is apparently from the Kalos region. No. Yeah. Kalos Quest. So yeah, XY. 2017 XY. Pikachu. Bat. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you like this Pokemon cards. And yeah, bye.